and even a little bit touches you, and that will come to know that somebody is touching you. And if someone slaps you, means suddenly you'll also reply to them that you are some people will scold on them, and some people will slap again on them, like this. So this is what sense of touch is. See, somewhere what happens, if your hand burns, if you are if you touch any hot materials, any hot objects, means you suddenly take your hands back. So that is what the sense of touch, right? So when you touch the material and you touch the objects, you are not going to keep the hands there only. You'll suddenly take back your hands, right? So that is what the sense of touch. Your hands are telling, your brain is commanding you that the object is very hot, to just take back your hands, like that. Okay, so like this only, there are some organisms the sense of touch is working much, means the sense of touch is very important in their life, means the sense of touch means the skin's sense is very important, how the vision is important in birds, how the hearing or echolocation is important in bats, like that. And smell is very important in the dogs, like that only. There are some organisms sense of touch is very important. The example is cat. Okay, the cat is having the whiskers. No, whiskers means like this only. So, okay, this type of whiskers are there now in the cat. Don't see this one. Whiskers means this one. Okay, like this whiskers are there present in the on the mouth of whiskers means the hairy structure which is present, or which is easily we can see in the attached to the mouth. Okay, that will grow with the mouth. Just we can say in Kannada we can say meese and karitirtivala bekkindu. So that is only the whiskers, and that whiskers going to help them a lot. That is very important. That whiskers are going to help them a lot. Just they will help to get the smell of the food, as well as and detect faint movements in the air. So even any movements are there in the air, means they will easily recognized by the whiskers only, and feel their way in the dark or through dense vegetation. See, if they are going, or if they are walking in the dense vegetation, means they will come to know how much dense the vegetation is. Even in the dark sides, even in the dark places, if they are moving, if they are going, means then they will easily come to know that something wrong is going on, and some dark place is dark place, and too much vegetation is there. Dense means ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಭಾಳ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ದ ವಿಸ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್, see, as we know that they can go anywhere, right? So when they are moving in the small places, no, that time if the whiskers are passing from that hole, no, see, just this is a hole, and the cat is coming from this side. If the whiskers are moving from this hole, no, they will come to know, they will decide that their whole body is going to pass from that hole or not. Okay, only by if the whiskers width or whiskers, if the whiskers are passing through that hole, means they will come to know that their whole body is going through that hole. They will decide, right? They will decide how they will move, and are they can pass through that hole or not, only with the help of whiskers. Okay, and the next in the snails. Okay, snails also have the tentacles. Snails means, see, wait, I will show in the figure only. See, in this figure they have given, no, these are the tentacles. Okay, these tentacles help them, snails and slugs, to find the food and feel their way around. So where to go, where to move, that all will be recognized by the help of tentacles only. And nocturnal animals have a well developed sense of touch. They need it to find food, as well as to get the information about their surroundings. See, nocturnal animals means those animals which are very active at the night time, and they are sleeping, and they used to sleep at the daytime. They are called as the nocturnal animals. They have the very good sense of touch, because they have to find the food at the night time only. Okay, for that reason they have a very good sense of touch, and even the surroundings, what's going on their surroundings, that they should come, they will come to know on the with the help of the sense of touch only. Then the nocturnal animals sense of touch is very high. Okay, and next one is that, and birds beaks, tongues, and palate are extremely sensitive to touch. See, when we touch the birds, if you have touched them, means once if you experience that feelings, will come to know that when you are touching the small babies, when you are touching the small birds, or even the birds also, they will start to recognize you, right? So even see, the animals, they are not have the much developed brain. Okay, but still they will identify their owner even by touch also. That is what the sense of touch. Okay, by touching, or by sometimes what happen, the smell also, they will recognize. There are some animals, they will recognize the people, they will recognize the persons with the smell, like that only. Even by the sense of touch, blind people, okay, they are not able to see the persons, but they will identify the persons more, even more clearly than us, only the sense of touch. Even once they touch, no, they will come to know who is that person. So they will keep that in mind only by the sense of touch. So this is what the importance of the touch in the organisms. As I told that in all the classes I have informed that all the sense organs are not important in human beings. But there are some organisms, they need the sense organs, which is very important to lead their life. Especially the nocturnal animals have the very good sense of touch, because to find the food in at the night time, because nocturnal animals are very active in the night time, and they are sleeping at the during the daytime. Okay, for that reason they will come to know about their enemies, about their surroundings, even about their food easily with the help of sense of touch. Even the snails and slugs, they have the tentacles. With the help of that only, they will come to know about the surroundings as well as the food also, how the air is, how the climate is. They will come to know with the help of the tentacles only. And as I told that about the cats have the whiskers that help them to recognize the food, and even the if they are passing through the hole or not, whole body is going to pass or not from that hole, like that. So this is what about the sense of touch, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the class. If you have any doubts, means let me know. So read well, stay safe in home, have a good day. Thank you.